Iya, kopi. Oke,
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
A very good morning to all. On behalf of TTADC, I extend my warm welcome to all the newly elected honorable MPs and each one of you present here. Namaste, Kulunka. In exercise of the powers conferred by the TTADC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to issue orders for due constitution of the newly elected district council, and in accordance with Rule 166(1), Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law, Government of Tripura is hereby authorized to administer the call for affirmation to the newly elected members of the district council. I would like to request Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law and Government of Tripura to initiate the process of administering the oath or affirmation to the newly elected honorable members of the district council. Now, I would like to call upon the newly elected honorable members to come on the stage one by one for taking oath or affirmation to the Constitution of India. First, I call upon Sri Bhavaranjan Riyam, 1 Damchara Jampui STC.
Anoka.
Ang mutang Bhavaranjan Riyam, TTADC ni atau ini member sekretariat Subagrani Mumbai, Ismail Kamu, dia ini tapi mengpakai bangun pakai India di Constitution ni dia ain sesuatu kami itu dia pakai ini apa dia kamu nama di bawah hati.
그래서
Now, now I call upon Srimati Manju Rani Sarkar to march march. As she is absent, now I call upon Sri Shailendra Nath, Sri Dasda Kanchanpur.
보고는
Now I call upon Sri Ratish Tripura, Port Karmachara ST.
아우 아니가 우리가 사전동 받았다고 Angnoka Ronald Lero iyo tuma pagi mai Ronald bisa sini siang mai Jadi jangan nahan mai aku orang kena bagi jawab di sini Angnoka
Now I call upon Sri Ismail Joy Tripura, Five Chamanu. Now I call upon Sri Hollywood Chakma, 6 Manu Chalenta.
Angnoka Ani fikir kan
ত্রিপুরা উপজাতি জেলা প্রশাসন ও জেলা পরিষদের নকশায় করছি আগামী দেবের বোঝেন উত্তর নামে খবর বলি দমন মুই এই নদী ভারতের সংবিধানের উপরে একামনে প্রতিম দিচ্ছে আর আদিম বইতে মুই ভারতের সার্বভৌমত্ব আর জদায় রক্ষে করি আর মুই যে দায়িত্ব বলি দমন প্রতিম বিচ্ছেদর লগে বলে তাদের সাথে
Now I call upon Sri Dhirendra Debbarma, 7 Dhanchara Kachuchara.
hanya saya pokok ini
ang Musang Director Departma Different Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Adong Unggoy Tongkat Maya Gulo Kaitoni Unggoy Sumay Tanggoy Sado Kurakti Poito Kenargoy Sumay Tanggoy Sadawo Parot Ilang Bagni Disingti Kada Kerongno Poito Kuboy Orok Pomoy ang Wagdagoy Kongmani Samungno Abay Kupay Tangan
Now I call upon Sri Katrachur Yang, 8 Ganganagar, Gandachara.
Out. Hari isu kita. Tama.
Ang Musang Sampradaya Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni kehar tui pangkiye tungyok paimon yok wo Ishonno duai laye smai tang ye satawo abono te krok kiye au ye smai tang satawo parot hakko bai snam tungyok mo pa kerong bai darau no mukha bai hatiye Mukhrong bom jaya ani satawo pau tiyo mo samuro no ang abai kubai ke tangai
Now I call upon Sri Prashmit Verma, 9 Halali Ashrambari.
Out kita.
ang Musang Prashmit Deborma Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adong Unggoy Tongkamani Yagulo Mahaduni Unggoy Sumay Tanggoy Sadawo Gerakhe Putu Nargoy Sumay Tanggoy Sadawo Barokni Bagni Disingtui Haja Kerangno Putu Kuboy Horok Pomoy Ano Bokdagoy Tongmani Samungno Habai Kubai Tangai Hambai
Now I call upon Sri Rajeshwar Verma, 10 Tulari Chandra.
Look jage. Markhala. Bona ne ba. Kulmani. Namanya itu.
Musang Rajeswar Dapama, Tripura Tribal Area Samaj District Council, Adong Ungai, Tongjatma Yamalo, Kaitonis, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Grake Putu Naragi, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Baro Nyambaki Singki, Sadak, Yarangno, Putu, Ubui, Barong, Bomui, Anu Boktekma, Tongmani Samuno, Abai Kubai Tangan, Amat.
Oke, oke. Oi. Siang na ba yun?
Now, I call upon Sri Utpat Verma, 11 Maharani Purtoliama.
Masih na? Okay.
Ang Muntah Department, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong ni Tongjat Yamalo, Terakhir Putu Naragi, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Barang Nomor Singki, Sadak Yarangno, Puitu Kubui, Borok Omui, Anu Boktak Paris Hamu, Dok Habai Kubai Taknya.
Now, I call upon Sri James Verma, 12 Ramchandra Ghat.
I, Musang James Verma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong Ungai, Tongjatma Yamalo, Kaitonis Sumai Tangi, Grake Putu Naragi, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Baro Nyambaki Singki, Sadak Yarangno, Puitu Kubui, Borok Omui, Anu Boktak Tongmani Samuno, Abai Kubai Tangan, Warga Johambai.
Kenal sini? Hah? Waduh itu.
Now, I call upon Sri Ravindra Verma, 13 Simna Kamakar.
Ada gitu. Yang mungkin display dia.
Musang Robindra Deborma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous Council, Adong, Ongoi, Tongjakma, Yakuro, Kaitoni Mungoi, Samai Kandis Tao, Paro, Elambakni, Isingkui, Hadak, Eramo, Oito, Hobui, Korok Omui, Ano, Bokjagui, Tongmani, Hamuno, Habai, Kobai, Anai. Now, I call upon Sri Rulia Debarma, 14, Vichan Nagar, Rocky Nagar.
Alu, Musang, Rulia Debarma, Tribal Areas Autonomous Council, Adong Mungi, Tongjakma, Yakulo, Kaitoni Sumai Tangai, Sadawo, Virat Poito, Narakai Sumai Tangai Sadawo, Paro, Elambakni Pisinti, Hadak Kerono, Poito Tukui, Korokomui, Amo Bokjaki, Tongmano Samuno, Habai Kubai, Tangai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jagdish Debarma, 15, Zirania ST.
Okay. Hanglut jam, bro. Hanglut jam
Alu, Musang, Jagadish Deborma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adong Mungi, Tongjakma Yakulo, Ismagni Munti Sumai Tangai, Sadaw, Trakte Puito Naragai, Sumai Tangai Sadaw, Baro, Elambakni, Isinti, Hajar, Kerono, Puito Kubui, Korok Omui, Ano, Bokjagui, Tongmani, Samuno, Habai, Kobai, Tangai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jitendra Debarma, 16, Mandai Nagar, Kulinpur.
and Musang Central Department, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adong Mungi, Tongjakma Yakulo, Kaitoni Mungi Sumai Tangai Sadawo, Trakte Poito Narakai, Sumai Tangai Sadawo, Paro Elambakni Pisinti, Hadak Kerono, Puito Kubui, Korok Omui, Bokjagui, Tongmani Samuno, Habai Kubai, Tangai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Srimati Deepa Debarma, 17, Pekwar Jala, Jannajoy Nagar ST. Masakti kita terhormat, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ni ada wujud mengenai Congdapan ya kalau kaitoni mengenai berakhir sampai kami ada Barat Hakotoni Ilembab ni bisingsi Hazab Kerano Kuito Sawul Kubui Korok Bomoi Ano Bongtamani Baca Tebas Kamuno Habai Kubaino Karna Josona. Now, I call upon Sri Suraj Dev Verma, 18 Katarzala Jambu Jala.
Macam Suraj Dev Tripura Sab Dudukai Kosa Angkor Koksa Adon Ungle Somdama Yak Kaitoni Ado Terakhir Koito Naragai Barat Elam Bab Isinti Ata Kirami Koito Ubui Kok Morokai Ano Kok Somani Somani Sabai Ubai
Now, I call upon Sri Buddha Kumar Dev Verma, 19 Amtali Dolaghar. I, Luchang Buddha Kumar Dev Verma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adon Ungle, Songchakma Yagulo, Kaitoni Semai Tangle, Hazaro, Berakhir Puito Naragai, Semai Tangle, Hazaro, Barat Elam Magna Bishingkoi, Hazak Kerano, Puito Kubui, Korok Bomoi, Ano, Boksari, Palmane, Hamono, Habai Kubai Tangle. Belanya. Now, I call upon Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, 20 Ilarapa.
Ang Poteton Dotomat ya. Di sini atau Amaya Kolot, Pangdamaya Kolot, Matai Kotor, Papa Koryani Manggui, Semai Tanggui Sadau, Barat Kotor ni Elembak, Ada Kerama Angkoto Bayu, Di Ani Sakau Bangka Kodano, Habai Kubai, Bakro Kongui Samantanai, Amu.
Now, I call upon Sri Chandrakumar Jamatia, 21, Maharani, Chennai.
I, Sri Chandrakumar Jamatia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Holonka.
Now, I call upon Sri David Mura Singh, 22, Kataria, Mirza Rajapur.
Musang David Murasi, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Lukurat by Samjat Adam Ungui Samjatma Yagulo Sini Mutairot Tei Bala Horicham Tei Kaitorni Sumai Tangui Sajau Gerakke Kutanaragui Sumai Tangi Sajau Barot Hakutorni Elembak Bisingkui Khazak Kerongno Puito Kubui Korok Bomoi Ano Boksari Kongmani Samungna Khabai Kubai Tangai Jai Bhagala Jai Prasad Jai Khansa Bharat Mata Ki Jai Jai Bhut Vande Mataram.
Now, I call upon Sri Kamal Kalai, 23, Ampi Nagar.
I, Sri Kamal Kalai, having been elected a member of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of the God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you.
Now, I call upon Sri Dhananjay Tripura, 24, Rahima Vedi.
काउंसिल ने आदम गई चंद्रमा यागलो काइटोने समाई तांगे साजो ग्राफिक कोको नारगो समाई तांगे साजो भारत एलन बागने उसीते खाजानी खाजा केरंगा कोई दुबई पर बोंबो यानो बंजागई कम्मनी सामुना खाबाई दुबई काटा
Now, I call upon Sri Sujoy Uchoy, 25 Nutan Bazar, Malbas.
Sujoy Uchoy, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Pohatoi from Saya Layana, Krishpani Mumbai Soita Kawoi, Boy Katu Mumbai, Akan Karuye, India Hami, Roito Royan Komodoi Maninai, Ake Amje Tamna Kaitumi, Abuna Hati Chuk Mumbai, Samutana, Hata.
Now, I call upon Sri Kenaram Riyang 26, Veer Chandra Nagar, Kalash. Now, I call upon Sri Debajit Tripura 27, Urba Mundipur, Guratali.
Tentang Deputi Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adam Mungui, Songsak Mayagulo, Kaitani Mungui, Samai Tangai Sazago, Parot Elebak Dibisikte, Haza Kerabno, Puichu Kubui,
허락보의 아가 복잡의 덕분이 자본과 가발 국바의 가발
Now, I call upon Sri Pangjam Mom 28 Silachari Manubangkul. All members have taken oath in accordance with the provisions of the PTIDC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985. I would like to convey my sincere thanks and congratulations to all the honorable members on completion of the oath-taking ceremony. I also convey thanks to all the officers for their cooperation in successfully organizing the oath-taking ceremony. Now, I would like to announce that under Rule 17.1711/1, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to appoint Sri Jagdish Debbarma, elected MDC, to preside over the proceedings of the first meeting of the newly elected council. I call upon Honorable Member Sri Jagdish Debbarma to take his chair to preside over the first meeting and advance the further proceedings. Thank you.
যত officials to the first meeting of the 9th TTADC. As per conduct of business rules, to the first meeting of official the Autonomous District Council Chairman and Chief Executive Member elected England Tomani. Jasapana Kasha Karone, Tini official Chairman TTADC and official Chief Executive Member elected Khajaria. বলভাবেই পরবর্তী সময়েও তেরোশো সিটি কমবে খাজাবি কতাল চেয়ারম্যান তাই সিএম চন্দ্রভাই বলভাবেই গভর্নর ভাই FM খাজা প্রেসিডেন্ট অফিসার হিসেবে অবহানি দায়িত্ব অবন সাধারণ তবে তিনি চিফ এক্সিকিউটিভ অফিসার তিনি সময়খানি প্রোগ্রাম পাইকা
होनानै declare humble.